Oh my gosh. I'm at the new house by myself for the first time. Like, let myself in with the keys. Like, we bought this house. This is so cool. And we get to pour ourselves and our love into this place for someone to move into, bring their family. It's done, and they can live here and love it. I have chills. Besides just wanting to come, I wanted to bring flooring samples to look at in the space, in the light, and see which I like. Which I already know which one I like, but you know, you gotta just be sure because things change with lighting and everything. So it is a little difficult because the walls won't be the same color and, you know, things will be different, but still. So these are my top 3 choices. I'm gonna lay them down. They look a lot lighter on camera, honestly, but this one is my favorite. You just can't go wrong with it. It's like the perfect mid-tone. It has some variation, like some darker elements. This one's pretty dark. I just feel like the house would be really dark with that. And then this has like a lot of gray in it. And like, I don't know, it almost looks like paint, but it's not. These just look the most real. And I love them. Y'all, this is it. This is week 1, day 1 of the flip project. And I feel like a lot of times just starting is the hardest part, and that's where I'm at. Like, oh, I have a plan. I have things I want to do, things I need to do. And I just, like picking up a tool for the first time is just so hard sometimes. So we're just gonna do it. Honestly, I've never removed cabinets before, so let's see how this goes. I don't see any screws inside, so it's all gonna be on top, right? I tried to cut through the screw because it's stripped. I don't think I did, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, that one's stripped too? The hell, man? Oh my gosh. Holy I'm okay. Ow. Ugh. Here's another change we're making in the kitchen. So the microwave is not gonna be mounted here, and the cabinets above need to go away because those aren't cute. So I thought it'd be perfect to put them above the, what is this? The refrigerator. I'm trying to like be as economical and stuff as possible. We are gonna replace the doors because those will be way better. But like we can use the boxes. The boxes are fine. So we're gonna replace the doors. We're gonna use the boxes. So I'm gonna move this box over here and it'll look so much better, hopefully. Welcome to the party. I have almost all the vinyl up. This stuff is hard. My back hurts. All that is super glued down. So I'll probably look up ways to remove vinyl and see if there's some better ways, because we have 3 more bathrooms and then the entryway to remove vinyl. And then the carpet should be easy. But I left that. So we got cabinets down, got this one down, got that one down, move the stove, move the dishwasher. Maybe I'll be busting down some walls next time. Okay, I'm gonna go home, see my babies, and probably take a hot bath and some ibuprofen. Yeah, we'll see you for day 2.
Here, look.
Yeah, I saw that the other day.
So we're not gonna save this because one, it's old and gross. All of this stuff can go away, but we don't need to worry about it now. But to take this whole unit out, we're gonna cut these things out, these little covers off around. So it's just the tube, and then we can cut a square for the pipe for whatever's there to just slip through. And then we just gotta get this electrical stuff out of the way.
Okay.
And then we can pull out. This whole unit should come out once it's, disconnected from the wall. Which there's a screw there, there's a screw there. There's like 3 screws on top of each other there, a screw there, 5 screws right there. All that's to hold the sink in.
Well, we can donate like the sink and the faucet. The faucet's new, but I want to keep the garbage disposal and put that in the new one.
Okay.
Because all that's new, and all the piping or the tubes you can see, they're all new. They just replaced them.
These?
No, these.
Oh yeah, the water lines. Yeah, they came with the
lines.
faucet. Those come with faucets.
Oh, okay. Well, then we won't keep that. But we'll keep the garbage disposal.
Yeah, they come with the faucet.
So this is your area of expertise, baby.
Okay.
So you do what you gotta do.
So you probably want to take the sink out first because you can't rip this out of the wall, like as a unit.
Yeah, we gotta take off the counter first, right?
You gotta take the sink out first.
Sink and then counter,
Sink,
and then
counter,
cabinets.
cabinets.
Yeah. Right now we're at a point of just disassembling things. We have some demo done. We're gonna demo the floors, take out the cabinets we need to take out. Those are staying there, but Steve is unhooking like plumbing and stuff so that we can take out cabinets and replace the vanities and everything. So taking off doorknobs, taking off baseboards and trim and everything like that. That's the plan, because once we do that, then we can do all the not fun stuff like patching and painting and all that stuff, and then start putting it back together.
Super light. It was just the caulking holding it down, and then the rim clamps. Oop. Nice. Nice sink. Oh, this one's stuck together. I don't want you both together. I want one of you. How do I get this one?
I think they're screwed together.
These 2 things?
Mm-hmm.
How are they screwed together? Maybe underneath?
I think so, yeah.
Oh man. Yep, this whole thing.
So the whole counter can come out.
Yep.
I guess you need
Does this work? You got that side?
we got it.
Ready?
What are we doing?
Yeah. Moving it out of here backwards. Putting it down. Put it up. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Boop.
See right here? It's connected.
Oh! They made it one piece. It's connected. I thought it was 2 pieces. It's connected with this guy. Like they have screws through and then connected. But then why is it bulging on the other side? Right here. This bulge right here. So I was like, oh, they're not connected.
That's water damage.
Water damage.
Got the cabinets out. Nope, the countertops out.
Yep. Got the countertops out. And all we have left is cabinets.
Look at all this space.
Wasted space.
Yeah, that's hard to utilize though, I'll admit.
They have corner cabinets.
I know, but they're cheap probably. So all the cabinets are like attached to the wall there. So on top and bottom, I mean, this is like the inside one, so it's a little easier to see. So we're taking off the countertops because we have to reconfigure all of this and then have it templatized. Is that a word?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
If you say it.
templatized.
Mm-hmm.
Templated.
Templated? Oh.
Yeah, templated maybe. So these two, or I guess this is one cabinet. This cabinet's staying. All of this is coming out. So we can take all this off the wall and everything, but this is precisely why that cabinet fell on me, because I didn't unscrew them from each other.
So they all came down together.
But I'm okay.
Be safe.
Guess who stopped by? Laura's here to help. Just taking advantage of the demo. You can take out your anger.
The hammer.
And we're breaking down this. This last one is the last piece. Here, we open this up over here and over here. So, all right. Well, we did it. Week 1 complete of demo. It's not all demoed, okay, I'll be honest. I would have loved to get more done, but I think I'm happy with where we are. Like, the kitchen is almost completely demoed. One potential issue is there's a pipe running through this wall that I want to take down. So we'll have to do more investigation into what that is, because Steve's like, that shouldn't be there. It doesn't make any sense. There's other things anywhere. All right, anyways, so we have to figure that out, or Steve has to figure that out. That's a Steve job. I gotta finish demoing this, but yeah, it's definitely hard not having all of our tools and supplies here, but I'm so happy. And our realtor, Laura, came by to help, which was so sweet. Steve came by a couple times to help. It's all so helpful. I just feel very grateful and happy to be here, and I can't wait for next week.